गया Tashi Dile Kuzuzangbu to all and everybody. Today the fishes are being released in the lake for long life of everybody and for the benefit of the Buddha Dharma and the ecosystem and all sentient beings. The fishes are released, their lives are saved, they are bought from the fishmongers who are about to kill these fishes and sell it. But our Dharma friends went there, bought these fishes, and they will now be releasing them in the river with Dharma chants and hoping for a better rebirth in the next life. May all the sentient beings gain insight and Buddha Dharma. Sarwa Mangalam.
Pula makin oh, mama. Aduh kutai, kau posai mana paning beri. Nah, di kap cuci.
Jelek.
Oh, sama tu kol naslah. Nah, ni orang naslah. Lalu yo tu siapa menyam. Oh, jauh Muhammad bin Muhammad. Manja.